What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King back with another video. In today's video, little bros are gonna be trolling on the Monkey app. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah.
Hey, screen court starting 3, 2, 1. Okay. Hold on, I'm straight. You get closer, Go. What's up? What's up?
Hey, chat.
Y'all at the what?
Wave chat.
Oh no, I got braids. Oh shit. Oh shoot. We talking about wave check. I don't got no waves. I thought you said something else. Jasmine from I'm getting skipped. Don't she look like? Never mind. What's up?
Say hi.
Hi. Who am I saying hi to?
How old are you?
Hi.
My brother said, how old are you?
Hi.
They wouldn't
I'm
show their
15.
face.
She about to say she 15. She lying. She look like she 11.
like 11 years old.
She is. She knows she lying. What's up?
Oh, that feels great.
Oh, you look just. She look like
At
somebody
time.
I know.
Like who?
You look like somebody I know.
Oh.
Like you look like you go to my school. I'm so serious. Nah, my brother said you cute.
How old are you?
Wait, it's still like that. Where y'all live?
I live in LA.
And where?
LA.
LA?
Yeah.
Why is everybody living in LA? I live in Atlanta.
Dang, Atlanta. That's cool. All right.
Bye. Oh.
Bye. That was a good conversation. Your socks don't match. Check them. Natalia.
Mine do match.
What's up?
How old are you?
What's up?
What's up?
My brother said, how old are you?
How old are you?
He asked, how old are you?
Um,
She even said, how old
This
she
dude
was.
is.
The time went out, she had
You
time.
should have pressed time.
I did, she did it. Me, Carson, he's 15 from Florida.
dude, what?
What's up?
Them niggas. Okay. They fruit
What?
cake.
Jessie, she's 15 from US. What's up?
What up, Joshua?
Huh?
How you living? Say, what up, Joshua? How you living?
I'm good. How old are you?
I'm 13 and she's 14.
Oh yeah, my brother like you.
Ah, so cute.
That's tough. Bracelet from 15. What's up?
Oh, what up with it?
What state you live in? What state you live in? Oh, she from Louisiana. Hey, the next guy I see, I'm about to get on.
Oh, man, I'm finna start.
The next guys, you can get on first. And oh, you be nasty. What's up?
Nothing.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Where you from?
Chicago.
I'm supposed to say nothing.
What?
Why do people record like that?
I said nothing.
They record upside down.
Bro, I'm trying to get on some people now, bro.
Don't skip the boys then.
I'm straight on that. Pass. Pass. Bro, you can say something, bro. Lazaria. What's up?
Okay.
What y'all doing?
Hey.
I said what y'all doing.
Oh, nothing. What you do?
Nothing, chilling.
How old are y'all?
Can I ask y'all a question?
Yeah, what's up?
Can y'all rate me and my twin a 1 through 10?
I know y'all look just alike. I'll give y'all both 8s.
I'll give you an A and I'll give her a 7.
You give who 8, you give who 6? I don't like it. We can talk to 3.
I said I'll give you an A and give her a 7.
Mama could get the same. Just for you about it.
I don't know, y'all look just alike, so I just gave y'all both 8s.
Thank you.
Alright.
She's salty.
Oh, I didn't even get to. Kayla.
You should skip that one.
What's up, Kayla?
What's up?
What you doing?
Nothing. Chilling. What do you do?
Same thing, chilling, bored, slap.
What if we record like that?
Edgy be like,
He be like,
bro, I'm trying to get on some people.
you should skip it.
Yeah.
That's so bad.
What's up?
What's up?
What y'all doing? Nah, that's tough.
Where at?
What's up?
Shut up, bitch. Find my bill. Marcy! That one in the back look like you, but an uglier version.
Oh,
I'm finna,
get on him.
I'm finna gun her, bro. You look like a horse.
Hey there. Bro, she ugly anyway.
That's why she was wearing that, because her edges.
Shit. What's up?
Hey, Ben. What's up?
What you doing?
Nothing.
I'm bored. Where you from?
Charlotte.
Charlotte? That's cool. Bro, that last girl wasn't even cute, bro. You shouldn't feel no type of way. Like,
Candy talking.
like you were in a bathroom. You're in the bathroom.
Taking a doodle on monkey.
Bro, I'm trying to get on somebody, bro. I want to go to a guy, no homo.
Oh,
Jack.
Dad.
Bro, if you don't get on your slow.
He knew I was finna
He
gun.
exit
He
out.
knew I was finna gun him.
He exit out. He exit. I'm on. Nope. Ooh. Faith. What's up?
You look like a horse with Down syndrome. I'm gunning you. Black cat. Shut up.
She's like 8. Your name is Trailer. Alex. What's up, Alex? Oh my god.
Cyclops neck. Bro look like Cyclops.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing, my guy?
I want to be Cyclops.
Oh,
are you?
Momo. You saw
You
that,
should
right?
have never skipped it.
I did it. I accepted it. She skipped it. Oops. I accepted it. She's from
She don't
Texas.
know how people.
What's up?
You look like a gas.
What's
pedal.
up? Oh, I accidentally followed you. Why would I do that? Oh, I'm gonna have to unfollow her after this. Don't know who she is. Katie. Nope. You're 14. What's up?
Hey, what's up?
Oh, them eyebrows on fleek.
You got do rag on? Take it off.
Why?
Let's see them waves. I want to see wave tag right now.
All right, bet. Nope. She thought. I ain't nothing. I don't got. Why everybody think I got waves, bro? I don't have waves.
Something to does.
What's up?
They all 7.
Y'all at Chuck E.
I'm
Cheese or
on you.
something?
What?
Y'all at Chuck E. Cheese or something?
They be at McDonald's playing at the play place looking at.
They had a play somewhere. My God.
We're playing tag at the play place.
That's tough. Bro, how you gonna skip me, bro? You supposed to be the homie. What's up?
You got waves?
You want me to do a wave check?
Yeah, wave check.
Alright, bet. Psych! What do I look like?
Out of here.
What do I look like? I ain't wave checking nothing. She thought she was gonna see some waves. That's funny. Like, no. 13, you gotta be at least 15, bro. Bruh. What's up?
What's up?
What you doing?
That do rag. Are you do rag fire for real?
Thank you. What'd she say? Ooh, what did she say? You're ugly. Oh shoot, I'm tripping. What's up? What's up?
What's up?
What you doing?
Homework.
Homework?
Yeah.
What grade you in?
Sophomore.
Oh, I'm a sophomore too. Oh. Oh,
Should have added time. He should have added time.
I'm straight. She doing homework. I ain't gonna bother. What's up?
Yeah,
Oh,
What's up?
what's up?
What y'all doing?
How old are y'all?
No.
He said, how old are y'all?
Bye.
Bye. Ash, it's Illuminati's girl. What's up?
Damn.
Oh! Oh!
Polar bear with Down syndrome.
Bro, I'm.
On this guy.
You're ugly. Bro.
This guy is ugly.
Breathe. How come all these girls saying they like 15, but they look like they're 9?
Shit, that's
That's it.
next.
At time.
So are you?
What's up?
What's poppin'?
What y'all doing?
What's that do rag doing?
What you mean?
What are your edges doing, my guy?
Huh? I heard somebody say it's nice. I heard somebody say add time. I heard somebody like. I'm getting compliments on it. What's up?
Hey,
What you doing?
nothing new?
Same. I'm bored.
Me too.
Where you from?
Oklahoma.
Oklahoma?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Bro, if you want on Jay, who's on? Oh, what's up?
Why are you calling your jacket for?
That's tough. That's tough. All right, it's gonna be the last one if it's good, and if it's not, we're gonna do 2 more. No.
Cause I want to grow somebody
No.
else.
Emma. Dolphins are unable to smell. Who the? This is Giannis. What's up? How old are you? You're. Oh my. Not today,
No.
Chief. Not today.
Heck no.
She said 12. That's younger than him.
That's not even a teenager.
That's a case. That's a. John, bro. Hold up, please.
She could date my little cousin.
Like, his name is John. It's gonna be the last one. She's 14 now. Trying to get a good one. What? Then say something.
Next.
I was gonna skip you anyway. That's tough, my guy. Oh, they both. Hey,
Yo, what up?
bro, you know what you look like?
What you chick?
You look like Donald Trump's son. I'm on you.
Bro, he on you, bro.
Take that shit off.
I'm finna
Wait,
gun you.
check-
Take off your hairline, my guy.
Alright,
Take off your hair.
alright,
bro.
bet. Alright, bet. Psych! Slap.
Alright, YouTube, if you guys like that video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that. Get this video to at least 50 likes, something like simple.
100.
And we'll do another video. Let us know in the comments what we should do, all that good stuff.
Yeah!
Yeah!